Look, it really doesn't matter if you are a business owner or a service provider, but without the help of social media, you simply can't grow your business or service today. That's why knowing the right social media marketing strategy is super important for your business, and that's exactly what we are going to talk about in this video. Marketing is necessary for every business. It doesn't matter whether it's a traditional marketing, digital marketing, or even offline marketing. The most important thing is how many people are actually seeing your product or service. And if you want to crack this entire marketing game without spending money, then we try something called as organic marketing. So in this video, we are going to break down complete social media marketing strategy. It doesn't matter what your business is or what services you provide. We are going to create a roadmap on how you can organically grow your social media step by step. We'll cover about 6 to 7 steps, and you just need to watch this video till end. You'll understand how to start social media branding from scratch and take it all the way to selling your products or services. So let's start right from the basics. What is organic social media marketing? First, let's break down these words. First one is organic, other one is social media marketing. Social media marketing, or SMM in short, simply means whenever you use any social media platform for marketing, it could be creating content to grow your business or by running ads. Both are ways of marketing using social media. Now see, there are so many social media platforms out there, but you should use general popular platforms that people all over the country or world are actively using. Also, you should know which social media platform serves which type of audience or demographic. For example, globally there are 4 major platforms almost every business owner or service provider uses. The first one is Instagram. It is more popular among the young people, mostly under 35. Second one is Facebook, still widely used, lot of family people and local buyers are there. Third one is LinkedIn, mostly for working professionals who are aged between 25 to 55. Fourth one is Pinterest. 60% of audience is female out over there, great for lifestyle, fashion and decor brands. So our first task is to create professional profiles on this platform. Only then you can start posting business activities or business related content there. Now, how to create professional profiles? So once you have chosen the platform, now it's time to optimize your profile. If you want to create a more detailed video on how to create and optimize your social media profile, kindly comment in comment box. But here's the quick summary. Get yourself a professional photo click, use it across all the social media profiles. It should be good picture with a clean background. Your face should be clear and might be a little smile, not too serious, not too casual. Your bio should be clear. Anyone who reads your bio should immediately understand what content they'll get from this profile and what you offer. Add links to other platforms or your website. That way you can do cross-profile marketing. Before moving ahead, make sure you have properly created and optimized all your social media profiles. Alright, so you have now created and optimized your profiles. Now it's time to do content research. Don't worry, content research is not that hard. You can use multiple tools or even simple Google search to figure out what kind of content you can make that's related to your niche. If you have got a small budget to spend, you can also use paid tools like SEMrush or Ubersuggest. Once you have done some basic research and spotted trends, next step is to check what your competitors are posting. Try to understand whatever service or businesses you are offering. You should make a list of 10 social media accounts in your niche that are already putting out organic content. These are people who have thousands or even millions of followers. Once you have this list, go to each profile and find 10 pieces of content that have gotten likes, comments and views. If you are looking at reels, check for the one which has high views. So if you have got 10 competitor profiles, that means you will end up with 100 content ideas easily. This also gives you a super clear idea of what kind of content is working for them, what style or editing is working for them. If you want to see their actual analytics, you can use tools like Social Blade. Just type in the competitor's name and you will see the data on how many followers they are gaining on daily basis, how many views they are getting, what days they have posted content that went viral, etc. Based on that, you can create a similar type of content for your brand. Like they say, it takes brain even to copy smartly. Now next step is to planning and creating your content. Now we are done with the research and competitor analysis. Next step is to do content planning. See, to create good content, you should have basic sense of design. The best design tool is Canva. It is beginner friendly. You can easily drag and drop the elements and there are tons of templates that you can edit. That's the design part. But what to actually post, that you can figure out using AI tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity. They can help you create a complete content calendar. Just remember, give your AI tool a structured prompt. For example, you are a professional social media manager with 5+ years of experience. Now create a content for my business. My business is X, type is Y, location is Mumbai. You won't believe how detailed suggestion you will get. It even suggests the platform, content types like customer reviews, before and after offers, engagement posts, local events, plus sample caption and hashtag. This way, your work becomes super simple. Now posting and automating your content. Now we have planned the content and created the content. Next is to actually post it. Manually posting is fun, but it's very time consuming. So you can use content planners to schedule your post. If you want free tool, I will recommend Meta's free scheduler for Instagram and Facebook. Though if you can buy Canvas Pro version, it gives you a premium template plus built-in content calendar where you can schedule posts for multiple platforms. Just pick a date on Canvas Planner, click on plus icon, select your platform, and your post will be automatically posted that day and time. Next is engaging with your audience. So your content is now posted across all the platforms. Now comes the fun part of engaging with your audience. Whoever reacts to your story, comments on your post, try talk to them, reply them, react on their comment, so your profile has engagement which is high. It shouldn't be a dead profile. Sometimes you will get feedback, sometimes get criticism. Learn to handle them both. So I hope you now understand the step-by-step process to do organic social media marketing. If I can do it, you can do it too. You just have to be consistent. If you found this video even a little bit valuable, let me know in comment what was your favorite part and what kind of videos you would like me to make next. And don't forget to subscribe. I keep bringing more simple videos like this to help your business grow and maybe even create some extra side income. So see you in the next one.